God wants to raise up a people who full well know who they are. And they sing over any kind of darkness, any kind of invasion of man, spirit of performance, or any of that kind of stuff, because theirs is about singing the songs that are their life. God is really just looking for somebody that's got a song in her heart that's crazy enough to get on a train with a box. And they got a song in their heart that's willing to rise up out of the masses and declare there is a fountain filled with blood. That's what God's looking for.